how to connect an Xbox controller to a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook so that then you can use it to play games. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first method I'm going to show you is using Bluetooth from your Xbox controller to your Chromebook. And we can easily do that by holding down the Xbox button at the top right here and this little pairing button at the same time until you see the Xbox light blink very rapidly like that. So now our Xbox controller is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now on your Chromebook, select the clock, then find Bluetooth, select Bluetooth, and select pair new devices. It'll then find Xbox wireless controller, select that. And as you can see, once it connects, the light on your Xbox controller will stop blinking. And now you're ready to start using the controller with your Chromebook. Now, if for some reason you can't connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook with Bluetooth, you can simply just plug it into your Chromebook using a USB cable. And the cool thing about that is you don't even need batteries in your controller for it to work. The power from your Chromebook will power your controller, and then you can use it to control games, things like that. So that's how you connect your Xbox controller to a Chromebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.